I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty fried, as I'm sure you can imagine. It's 4 o'clock and I'm on my way up home. So there's 2 spots that I absolutely love going to when I come down 95. It's rare that I get to come this way, but I'm gonna go in and check it out. It's been a really long time since I've been here because normally like traffic is terrible. Okay, but what is this guy? He's missing his umbrella. Gosh, I'm having such a struggle. $29. That's definitely retail on that. Those ones without the umbrella really don't sell that well for me. What's this pink box in here? That is pretty. It's got a little wear, but it's only $9. Does it close all the way? Can't. Maybe it's $9 because it's broken. Hula doll. Looks newer side. I've bought and sold those before. They usually go quick, but I try to stick to the older ones now. Wow, this dress is fabulous. Oh my God, no wonder it's Oscar de la Renta. I thought that $800 price tag was crazy. What in the world? I'm just like, wait, 50% off AP. So 400, yeah, that's actually relatively fair, I would say. I'm gonna put my basket down and poke around. Can't resist a 50% off sale. It's new, I thought it was, but I just wanted to make sure. This is interesting. Part of the world's ugliest pottery collection. Oh my God, it weighs 1,000 pounds. I love it. I don't think it's ugly at all. I think it's just perfect. 38 and 50% off. That's pretty fantastic. I really want to get this. It would cost a fortune to ship. Oh, I am starting to really feel it, I tell you. I know I said that like a couple hours ago, but 15, that's a little close. This fox trivet's neat. Okay, but this, $12. He's fantastic. I feel like I can't leave this here. It's a little much, but it's just so unique. And it's in like perfect condition. I love this Lefton daisy set. Let's see. Sugar and creamer as is. We don't like that. $10. What about the teapot? $25. That's fair. Gosh. Goofy little thing. She's got a little damage, not much. I really like this, but I'm gonna put it down and do the walkaway test. I'm obsessed with these. How spectacular. Mr. Sneezy and Mr. Salty. They're $20 though. What a cool piece of pottery. $20, that seems really fair too. Oh, these hobbyist bookends are hilarious. A lot going on in this booth too. What is this funny guy? It's a puppet. Wow, this clock is so fun. There's a lot happening here. The cockatoos. How much are you? $30, so cheap. Okay, I cannot ignore what's happening back here any longer. $17.50. All right, well, I gotta put this down somewhere safe. Good grief, there's stuff everywhere. Maybe this is the best spot. And this elephant. $8.50. This Christ Elephant Bank. No, Lefton. Good grief, even better. Well, this is definitely coming with me. So I am gonna go ahead and pick this up. My gut is telling me that this is gonna sell for a lot of money. $17.50 and 15% off. I'm not even gonna bother looking it up. Relpo, Easter, things like this, especially with that unique face, it's a pretty safe bet at this price. And Chalkware 3 Bears, $6. Miller Studios, they look in relatively good condition too. I wish they didn't have shipping tape all over them. Although I can see that one's got a boo-boo. I don't want to mess with it with the shipping tape. I need a new manicure after that. These are so sweet. Oh, umbrella. Oh my gosh, I'm so overwhelmed. Cat book. Oh, excuse me. Pottery dog. $5.50. He's pretty great. What's happening over here? This is fantastic. Gosh, I'm overwhelmed. All right, let's see. What about this rocking horse planner? I've never seen this one before. $8.50. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that one up too. That's really unique. What about this leprechaun boot planter? It's like $9. That's really cheap. Oh, creamer. I could easily pick up a million things right now. And this funny thing, I think it's by Unita. Yeah, $20 and 20%. Can't do that. Oh, Space Cat. Whoa, cool. Love this clown puppet. Gosh. All right. This is where the pricey mid-century stuff is. I mean, with good reason. Oh my gosh, that planter is only $38, so with the bicycle. Mermaid. It's a hobbyist one. It's not the real deal. It's 50 bucks. This fish set is 80. I love this little dog trinket box. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I feel like there's a horrible glare. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh, look at how big this one is. That's crazy. Look at this funny little guy. He's pretty cute. And of course, the poodle's in chair. Poodle in chairs. 6. Little Bo Peep. $10, so cheap. Now I do have to check out this set. 3 pieces, $6. I really like that. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's because it reminds me of like a circus stripe or something. What the hell? Oh my gosh. But wait, there's even more. Now, I normally go through this pretty carefully if I was somewhere random, but I know for a fact this vendor's paying attention to what ornaments or what. Done this enough times. Clown. Okay, I cannot ignore this Halloween situation happening over here. I need a better look. Looks to be more of the newer stuff. Still fun though. Oh, how funny. That is too cute. I've never seen that one. $17. That's probably about what I'd charge for that too. Love this little bone china set. What a strange piece of pottery. I really like that. Unfortunately, it's super cracked in multiple places, so I can't justify that. Ah, look at those cake toppers, the Girl Scouts and the telephone. Unfortunately, they're kind of pricey. Risque playing cards. So many fun little miniatures. This napkin holder, love these. 27. I figured as much. Oh, I'm just so overwhelmed. Look at those cats. Okay, these are some of my favorite things ever. These nursery rhyme lamps. I know it says please. Oh, that's not pertaining. They're a lamp. Humpty Dumpty, $22. Oh, they like, it's not plugged in, but they light up and they give off this great light. I'm kind of tempted to get the Humpty Dumpty one, but he's a little too much damage, I think. That is neat. This is an awesome ashtray too. $18. I feel like you could actually make money off that. These are kind of hard to find. All right, I'm about to check out, but I'm just gonna hit a couple booths that I left stuff in that I was questioning. The first was this pig. I love him, but I just don't think I can pay $12 for it, honestly. I know I could make some money, just not enough to justify. Next, I'm heading back to this holiday booth here. There's one planter that I left because I had a little paint loss, and I just don't think I can forgive myself if I leave it. It's this guy. It's a really fun vase. Oh, now that I see it again, I understand why I left it. The paint loss is pretty extreme. I'm gonna let it go. Also love the drummer girl planter back there and this snowman music box, but it's just too close, honestly. And I still got one more stop to go. This, though, is just very me. I cannot let it go. $18. It's the 8-ball. It's in really good condition. Harder to find. I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. So I spent $73 in there, which is very good. I have to add it to my total for the day. I have one last stop. The sun is setting. It's almost 6. I've been at it since 9. Not to mention I've done like at least probably 600 miles maybe since yesterday at 5 a.m. So I'm almost ready to crash.